Hello traders, it's Wednesday and I'm going to take 5 consecutive trades on the Sonic system. Whatever happens, happens. Let's find out the winners, the losers, the ugly. It's going to be 5 back-to-back signals. Remember that trading is risky. Don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. This video is going to be full of information. There's a strong trend to the downside. Regardless, I'm taking every single Sonic system trade moving forward. If you like these videos, subscribe to the Day Trade Twin YouTube channel. We have new videos coming out every day focused on price action, showing you and teaching you all about the markets and how to beat these crazy markets at their own game. Okay, first trade I see, 54.76. I want to go short. This is trade number 1 of 5. Usually I recommend entering the market 15 minutes after the market opens. So I have a target, I have a stop, I'm following the Sonic
target filled.
Targets and stops, and the first trade was a winner, trade number 1, $625. This is the first trade of 5. These are my settings for the members and the users of the Sonic system. If you want to follow along, I'm using a profit target of 1 on the settings on the back end, so you can adjust your settings. If you want to review my settings for the users who have the Sonic system, just review this video where I showed you what my settings are. I'm using 1 times the ATR. Again, I like to trade after the market opens, 10-15 minutes. If you're using TradingView or NinjaTrader, the Sonic system is right for you because we have the Sonic system available for both those charting platforms. Okay, trade number 2. This is trade number 2. I want to enter short at 54.7250, or I just want to enter short. I have my target, I have my stop, and now I'm looking forward to that target for trade number 2 to be a winner. It's going against me, and so I have the stop. Really important, don't move your stop. I'm not going to move that stop. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Remember, I'm taking 5 consecutive trades on the Sonic system, no filtering. Some of you may be using the micro contracts, which is fantastic. Remember to practice first, but we're not moving that stop. Let's see what happens here.
Stop filled.
Okay, I got stopped out. Now I'm down $312. This is trade number 2. I have 1 winner. I have 1 loser. 50-50 so far. I'm going to wait to see for the next trade. And I'm also going to make sure that there are no news events upcoming for 10 o'clock, because if there are news events, sometimes that creates a problem. But I don't see any news events on the horizon here. Market's starting to go up. We may get a long trade. We may get a short trade. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to follow the Sonic system. If you're trading, let's say, 20 times a day and you're not seeing any results, I would say you're trading too much. So you don't have to trade that much. That's why I'm only doing 5 trades, 5 consecutive trades, and then we're going to reevaluate. Where are we? Are we up for the day? Are we down for the day? Should I stop trading? Okay, trade number 3 is a short 54.80. So I just jumped in at the market because I didn't want to lose out on this trade. Remember, 5 consecutive trades is what I'm trying to do here to show you the power of the Sonic system. I'm happy that it's in my favor and I hit the target. Okay, good. So now, trade number 3, I'm up $250. So we're 2 winners and 1 loser. Now you may be thinking, why not just stop for the day, right? You're up $250. You've made some money in the market. It's hard. Being a trader is hard. It's not easy. Now, I agree, you should stop trading if you're up for the day. There's only been 3 trades, and for the purpose of what I'm trying to show you using the Sonic system is not just 1 off or 2 trades. I want to show you 5 consecutive trades in a row that are either winners or losers. So I agree, you should stop trading if you're up for the day, but I'm going to keep on going. I'm going to speed this up here just a little bit so we don't waste any time. I want to see the next trade, and then we're going to take that next trade, number 4, to see where we're at. Now, there comes a point where you can't just keep on trading if it keeps on losing money, obviously. So if you have 2 losers in a row, my train of thought is to say, well, the market's not cooperating. I'm going to stop trading because we have 2 losers in a row. Okay, trade number 4. I have to use the focus button to refocus the chart because it ran away from me and went lower. The focus button is at F there on the top right. Okay, so trade number 4 is a short, obviously. We're below that filter. The Sonic system has that filter, that yellow dashed line, which allows you to filter out trades. So I'm short. The risk to reward ratio isn't that great, but that's fine. Like I said, 5 consecutive trades is what I'm here to show you on the Sonic system. And it's starting to go in my favor, which is good. Typically, I get concerned when it's against me for an extended period of time, but it's on my side here, and I want to get out of the trade. All right, pretty easy, actually faster than I thought it was going to be. Now I'm up $1,062. This is now 3 winners and 1 loser. So out of 4 trades, we've had 3 winners and 1 losers. Again, you may be thinking and asking yourself, listen, you're up for the day. Why not just stop trading? Now, I agree. This is a huge profit target for most traders. If you're trading with micros, it's not that big. If you're trading just one contract, it's not that big. But if you're looking at 5 consecutive trades on any trading system, you should really see what the system can do, not just with 1 signal or 2 signals, but I really want to focus on consecutive trades in a row. What can this system do for me, and what can it do for you? So let's take a look at trade number 5 here. 54.7150 is what it's telling me I should be short at, or at a better price.
Order filled.
I'm going to jump in here. I'm not getting the best price on any of these fills because I just want to show you, taking the signals as they are, what you can expect. And now the market is right about where I entered. And let's see if trade number 5 is a winner or trade number 5 is a loser. Or it's going in my favor. Again, a lot of the videos that I do, I try to tell you a little bit about price action. The trades that are winners almost always go in your favor immediately. The trades that are losers, more often than not, they are against you for an extended period of time, which leads me to really focus on how long should I stay in a trade like this. Well, every candle is 1 minute. This is a 1 minute chart, and so you should not be in an extended period of time. Okay, I hit the target. Trade number 5, I'm up $1,937. 5 trades, 4 winners, 1 loser, 80% win rate, 5 trades done by 10:15. It's actually 10:01, but I'm just going to say 10:15 here. These are all the trades taken in a row, 5 consecutive. You can see them there. I didn't skip any trades. I didn't pick and choose. I didn't filter. If you're interested in the Sonic trading system, visit daytradetowin.com. We have some discounts and promotions available for our members and for new traders as well. Give us a call. Let's get you in the right program and teach you how to trade price action. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.